Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, make sure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a plastic spudger for safely prying open the laptop. First, power off your HP 15S and disconnect the charger. In this step, you want to ensure that there is no residual power. Next, turn the laptop over to access the battery compartment. You'll notice several screws securing the back panel. Carefully remove these screws using the Phillips screwdriver. Keep them in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the screws are removed, use your plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. As you lift the panel, take a moment to inspect the interior for dust or debris. If you notice any buildup, now is a great time to clean it out with compressed air. After opening the back panel, locate the battery. It's typically secured with a few screws and a connector. Remove the screws with your Phillips screwdriver. If you're unsure about any step, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This can help avoid mishaps if you're not comfortable proceeding. Next, carefully disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. You can do this by gently pulling it out with your fingers or using a flathead screwdriver to pry it loose. Make sure to handle this with care to avoid any damage to the connectors. If you're hesitant about doing this, keep in mind that we also provide pickup and delivery at your home for repairs. Now, it's time to insert the new battery. Align the connector with the motherboard and gently push it back into place. Secure the battery with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure everything is tightly fastened, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could strip the screws. At this point, before closing the back panel, double-check that everything is in order. If you're unsure about your work, remember, we provide quotes before repair, so you can get a professional's opinion without any commitment. Once you're satisfied, place the back panel back on the laptop and secure it with the screws. Finally, flip your HP 15S back over and reconnect the charger. Power it on to confirm that the new battery is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. This step-by-step guide should help you confidently replace your HP 15S battery. Regular maintenance and timely battery replacement can significantly enhance your laptop's performance and lifespan. If you need help, remember there are no calls, no travel, just easy service at your convenience. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.